Farms belonging to over 100 subsistence farmers in Chief Chikuwe's area of Kasenengwa district in Eastern Province will soon become bare land after government has embarked on a project of constructing roads and is clearing the farms to pave way for the exercise. The affected farmers have been left stranded, stating that this is their only means of livelihood and that they spent a lot of money on seed and fertilizer.
Milisi, tinachitogula mbewu, fertilizer, tichitogula. Bati mamela bati gredera bati onongela chakutitirira pano tidandaula mwandi chakudya manyumba tiribe bati chosera vakudya kukatitaira huko chakudya tichitosepa sichina
tirira ta vantu vano pamene matonongera vakudya ise vana vamasiye tiputika funa vakudya veja tisamalire mbewu teve naye fertilizer netogula milisi netogula maminda neto talenti pati mpesike mtonongere mbewu tizatandizikira kuti tanzeni comparison ati mavoti azakukangani ulende uno tizaonako vantu venango vamene angathandire tafutika maningi mafuto watu vetiri nawo kuno.
They have wondered why they were not engaged before the exercise, stating that the place where this has been done is the traditional land.
Now vachigreda kuti valekezo greda koma wakali vagredera wakali vaonongera chimanga cha vantu osauka mungaise chikaichigreda icho chigreda taiso dandaulako akuti yayi simungakambe naise wakali vagredera so tipempha kuti chigreda chija matumire foni valekeze.
The farmers have since called for compensation from government for the destruction of their crops, stating that they would die from hunger as they have no other source of income. Zipporah Mushala, Muvi TV News in Kasenengwa District.